This is Kelly Hill, technology reporter with RCR Wireless News. I'm here today with Jeff Atkins at Wi-Fi Now in DC. Jeff, tell us about what Spirent's talking about here at the show.
Okay, well, we're talking about two solutions. One, our Epitiro product line is aimed at ensuring end-to-end quality of experience. So focused on service providers and enterprises, for whom it's critical to make sure that Wi-Fi services are delivering a good user experience. And then we're also showcasing our Flex product.
Which is this back here.
This back here, right here, which is a handheld unit.
Mm-hmm.
And essentially that's aimed at cable providers and MSOs who have these complex home networks. They've got potentially MoCA. Many of them are looking at wireless Wi-Fi technology moving forward. And they've got technician workforces that need to be able to troubleshoot and verify the performance of these complex networks. And this is basically a handheld system that will take them step by step through the process of verifying the networks working properly and then troubleshooting any issues that come up.
And so two different products, one for the home basically and one for a venue. Can you talk about how things are getting more complex in the home in terms of Wi-Fi needs? I think that's something that's come up several times here today, where we might be starting to deal with a multiple access point environment, or at the very least, really trying to be able to maximize the positioning and the installation of a single access point in a home. So talk a little bit about how you guys are helping with that.
Sure, yeah, there were some very interesting presentations today from Google and others about how critical it is to get placement of the access point right. So one of the issues is that Wi-Fi, of course, is a shared medium, and we know that it's vulnerable to interference and coverage issues. And so one sort of architectural path that we're hearing a lot about is the idea that there'll be a MoCA backbone within the home, and MoCA has become quite popular with the rollout of DVR and whole home DVR services and things like that. And so that's creating another level of complexity in the home, where potentially we're going to see a backbone to deliver to multiple access points, so that we can then ensure that the Wi-Fi service is delivered well in various parts of the home. And then there are other providers that are just looking at Wi-Fi alone. And that, as we're just mentioning now, has its own range of complexities. So yeah, it's definitely more complex, but also potentially more flexible for customers.
All right, well, thanks so much for your time, Jeff.
Great, my pleasure.